I need to take your picture. Hold on.
Smiling for you.
One more.
Sounds like Eli.
Yeah, Mohammed, come with me for a minute. Oh, excuse us.
5 more minutes. We have one more student
Eli, you want to come get Miss Mayan.
مرحبا.
We have one more graduate. He doesn't like it. Sorry about your head a little bigger. Yes.
Come on, let's go with mommy. Look here, come with this smile.
Thank you all for coming and for trusting us with your children. We really enjoyed them. And we have some refreshments at the back there. You can go help yourself. Please eat the refreshment. There's lots of food. You can go to the store. Yes, go there, honey. Just through the...